Are we doing a blooper reel?
We're gonna have to.
Blah, blah, blah.
That was great. Hey, that was
This is super exciting.
yeah, perfect.
I'm down in Guilford right now. I don't know come on up work first and everything.
I forgot what I did.
Yeah, you
Puritan products. Ah!
got it. No, that was perfect.
No, that's good. That's good.
You're good.
So now here's what we gotta do.
I hated that.
Look happy.
And your well-being. Oh my God.
That's right. This is great. So, just a little more.
No,
Try-
there's nothing.
It's okay.
Anything.
I would totally have screwed that up. Professional and oh my God.
You got it.
Stop.
Yep,
It's my
yep,
family's business.
Gotcha. Ready?
Welcome to Puritan! Okay.
Believe it or not, I've never in my life been told to loosen up, so, you know, it's...
Hi, that'll be on the blooper.
Yeah.
Wait, I was like, screw
You got it. You got it. You got it. You wanted to say.
Are we all set? Are we done?
No.
No, we're
No,
not.
here's- okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
You got it. You got it. You can do it again.
Yeah, baby. Boom.